Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're talking about whiteheads. As we get started, let's look at some of my favorite whiteheads. While you watch, don't forget to click the subscription button and the bell for notifications. Because we provide graphic, often age-restricted content, you won't really find us in the search, so you've got to click that notification bell. Comment below. Who are some of your favorite whitehead extractors? We all know Dr. Asanja Lee, but are there others we should be watching? And check out these sebaceous filaments on the skin. A sebaceous filament is a tiny collection of sebum and dead skin cells around a hair follicle, which usually takes the form of a small, hair-like strand. And this Reddit user says, "I've always had acne since I was 13 years old. I don't know what to do with the redness. I also have oily pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. Feeling like there is no cure for me." What advice do you give her? Comment below.